100%. Men definitely need to know about this, because I tell you, some of my earliest experiences where men get their finger and rub super hard on my clit because they think that that's what's going to turn me on, actually repelled me from actually having intimacy with men. And that's when I used to miss out on a lot of foreplay with men and just basically want to have like penetrative sex because I was scared of their finger and them rubbing too hard. So for a man to really understand a woman's yoni in the most delicious ways that I'm going to learn more about my own yoni today is going to help men really understand the magic and the beauty and be able to get excited and curious about what is possible and how much pleasure they can give their partner. So it's super important that men understand more about a woman's yoni.